Hi everyone, I'm Kay with Great Lakes Wander, and I have
Cue
with me today. You can follow him on Instagram at cueball1. One of one.
Yeah.
And today we are going to do another snack video. We ordered Germany, but we don't even know what's in the box because it's still sealed. So let's get this open.
Oh, it's gonna be good. Better be good. Counting on you, Germany. Japan wasn't the best.
Woo, fancy. So inside it looks like this. And it has some kind of little pamphlets here. I have something to tell you. An item was unavailable at the time of packing your snack crate. Good news, we included a special snack to make up for the missing item. Enjoy. It's a note from the snack packer.
Hopefully it's a good snack.
Okay, let's see. It was. It's from Germany. Woo! Germany! Does it tell us what's in the snacks, or it tells us?
Tells you about Germany.
It tells us about Germany, and it tells us about the snacks. So we're both right.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see what's in here.
Okay.
Okay, underneath. Oh, I think we got a sticker. We love stickers. We collect stickers. So this is all wrapped up. Cool.
Nice.
Woo, fancy. We have some crisps, which look like what, pepper?
No idea, I can't read that.
And some kind of peanuts, flavored peanuts. Okay, you pick out some.
Oh, what's this?
Oh wow, there's lots in here.
I have no idea what this is. It's Frager. All right, who knows?
Stay on the other side.
Who knows what it is?
The other side shows.
The outside of what? Oh, here we
That's
go.
the front.
There we go.
It's like some kind of puffed thing or something.
No idea what this
Is
is.
it, I wonder if it's candy.
It's like-
Puff.
it's like-
Puffer free. So maybe something frozen. Or not frozen, puffy. Puffed up.
Yeah,
I
it's
wonder
like-
if it's like cereal or something. I don't know. It should
I
say
have
in
no
that
idea.
in the box.
a
Okay.
puffy cake or something.
Then we've got Loch gummies or Lock gummies,
We're just
minis.
destroying the German language here.
Sorry, Germany. We've got 2 of them, so that's good. We each got our own.
Mine.
What's this one? This one is called a beefy. Does it look? It's naturally smoked. It looks like some kind of like
A pizza pocket?
Is it a pizza
I
pocket,
don't
or
know.
is it got like meat and cheese in the middle?
Tell me that doesn't look like a pizza pocket or something. I don't know. We're gonna see what it is.
Here, show it right in the middle.
Yeah.
And then your favorite, chocolate. Oh, it's a hazelnut wafer, chocolate
Oh.
wafer,
So-
and there's 2 in there. So this is totally gonna screw up my diet because I've been doing strict keto for the last couple weeks, and next week I'm going into a 30-day challenge. So I thought I'd just give it one last shot and like screw up my ketosis right now, but it'll probably go back in tomorrow at some point,
Oh, it
or the
will.
next day, but it doesn't really matter. We're not getting our next box for another month anyways, so.
I'm personally hoping that this one is chocolate, but I'm guessing it's Nutella.
You think it's Nutella?
I think it's Nutella.
Okay. Look at,
Who knows though?
look, who's over here? It's Darla Dobie.
Darla Dobie's gonna get some snacks if they're not any good.
Okay, let's see if we got this in the right position again. Okay, so which one you want to start with?
You pick.
I get to pick?
You pick.
Oh, I start with the crisps because a guilty pleasure, potato chips are my favorite. If you put a bowl of ice cream or a bag of potato chips in front of me, I'll always take the potato chips.
That's obviously a red pepper.
It's a red pepper.
Cool.
Okay, look in our guide and see if it's in the guide. And maybe it can tell us what it is in English.
Right.
Is there?
Classic crunchy potato chips flavored with the taste of sun-ripened bell peppers.
Interesting. Okay. Ready?
Not quite all dressed, but we'll see.
They smell like potato chips.
Yep.
They look like, oh, they almost look like barbecue. And the lighting's kind of off because we're sitting underneath the orange umbrella.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I get fat on those. Those are good.
Wow, that's really good.
Yeah, that is really good.
They know how to make chips.
I knew they wouldn't disappoint us.
Maybe Pookie wants one.
Mmm. Of course,
Those
she
are
eats
good.
anything, so I don't know if that's really a barometer over how good these chips are or not.
Okay,
Next,
your turn.
well, peanuts, I know those are. Gummies.
Gummies?
Each get a pack of gummies.
Okay.
Yeah.
The
Mini
Latch
gummies.
Gummy Minis.
Latch.
I don't know how you pronounce it. So let's see here. Does it say in our guide what flavors are in there?
Your turn to read.
Fruit gummies in an array of delicious flavors. Create funny faces from the different shapes. So we've got like different shapes. Some look like bananas, strawberries. I don't know what else that is. Orange. I'm throwing all in my mouth.
Yeah, I can't tell.
Those are good.
Want those?
Can you smell the package? You can't eat it. No. You can only smell it. The puppies. Mwah.
Gummies are gummies are gummies. They're good. If you like gummies, you like these. You look like maybe you're not agreeing, but I think
No, I
they're
liked
good.
them. They were really good.
Yeah, they're really good.
I really liked
I want
them.
more of them.
Okay,
I'd like to go
so
to Germany right now.
what am I going to pick?
Yep.
I want to pick that beef pocket thing or
Oh,
whatever it is.
oh,
Let's see if I can
boy.
find what it is.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
The
Is it not
original.
in here?
This was the extra one maybe they gave?
Maybe. Maybe that's the extra one we got screwed on. Yeah, I'm scared. Okay,
They probably
ready?
couldn't sell these, so they just threw them in this pack. right
Here
for
we
these
go.
Stupid Canadians. That can milk these down.
Well, you can rip it on the side. There's a little notch in the
Where is
side.
it?
Right there.
Oh. See?
Okay, let's
That's
see
why I
what's
don't toast these
inside.
videos. Oh.
Is it a bun?
Yeah. Here, you open it
Oh my
up.
god, it smells. Oh, it stinks. Oh yeah, it's like a pizza pocket. Like, come on. What's this all
You have
about?
to try it though. Keep an open mind.
Splitting it? Or are you taking a bite?
No, yeah, we'll split it.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. He got all the pepperoni. That's what's inside. It's like,
Maybe we're supposed to heat this up.
I don't know.
Oh, whatever. It's a pizza pocket.
He got the pepperoni. It's okay.
No.
It'd be okay if it was heated up. I don't think it tastes bad. The sauce is really like tomato paste
It's okay.
tasting. If you're Darla, you can have some of that too. Okay. What do you want to try now?
Oh, I have to pick, right? All right, we'll try the...
The
I'm not even
peanuts?
pronouncing that. I've pronounced some German
Okay.
words, but I don't know what
A
this one is.
salty puffed corn snack made with real peanuts. These are seriously addictive.
I bet.
Let's see if they're seriously. Oh, they look like corn twists, like corn puff or whatever you call those
Yeah.
puffs. What's the bag smell like?
These are like healthy Cheetos.
I don't know
but
if
smaller.
it kind of smells like peanuts.
Yeah.
Or it is peanuts.
It is peanuts. Hence the big peanut on the cover.
No, it tastes like peanut butter.
They're good.
They're okay.
They're not bad.
They do taste like peanut butter though.
They're the other one.
Does Darla approve?
Yeah, she ate it.
She ate it.
Yeah, that's shocking. Your pick.
So these, I'm really curious about these puff things. These colorful fruit-flavored bites made from rice and corn are sweet with just a hint of sour in every bite. Okay, so I'm going to have a chaser first. Clear the palate.
Water.
Yeah, don't lose the sticker.
I
I
won't.
want to keep that
Never.
fancy
Never.
sticker. Here, we'll use the scissors and cut the end off. I don't really like those now at the after flavor.
Really?
Those peanut things,
Who doesn't like peanuts?
I just don't like the flavor.
Well, I'll eat them.
Those smell
Darla,
really
you'll eat
nice
them.
and fruity.
Oh, these would be good.
I wonder if they'd be good like if you had milk or something.
Yeah, it's just cereal. That's what I thought it looked like.
Yeah, it looks like cereal to me too. It's like puffed wheat or rice or whatever you want to call it.
Oh, they're sweet.
But it said they're supposed to be sour. Oh, I taste sour.
Oh.
Ooh, that's
Well,
weird.
It's not bad, but it's very different. You expect anything like this to be in our shells is loaded with sugar, and it's not really. It does have
it's
a
not very
sourness to
sweet.
it. You know, it's not bad though. I could eat these.
You know, I think I would eat them as like a bowl of cereal.
Yeah, that's what it's like. It's
I
like a
think
Rice
they'd be good
Krispie.
if you put milk on them.
Yeah. If
Yeah.
you put certain flavors in a Rice Krispie and made it into a small ball size, that's what it seems like to me.
Yeah,
That's its consistency too.
yeah.
It's not bad.
They're weird, but I think they'd be better if they had milk on them.
Weird to us.
Yeah, weird to us. And where's the last one? Okay. So, yeah, you're right. A German favorite wafer treat with a rich chocolate and delectable hazelnut filling. So you're
Okay.
right. It's
Say
like
hello.
Darla Toby. So it's like Nutella.
Yes.
So this is the last one.
That's what I figured.
Let's cut it with scissors again. You can't have this one, Pookie. It's got chocolate in it. Yeah, I know you want everything. Oh, it's double wrapped. These wafers, and they come in 2 individual packages, which is cool because we don't have to break it in half and get our fingers on everything. So let's try this. This is our last treat, by the way. You can see it's got filling in there. Wafer.
Smells
Smells
healthy.
good.
Oh yeah. That's pretty good.
Oh yeah, I could get real fat on these.
Yeah. Oh, that's really good.
That's really good. I think this and the crisps are my 2 favorite
Yeah.
out of the box. Yeah.
So overall, what do you think of the pack, or the variety of treats? What do you think of
It was good. I think it was good. It was what I can't remember what we paid for it. I think it was $19.99 Canadian is the subscription, and your shipping is free in that. So I don't know. I think it was worth $20
Yeah.
to like try treats from somewhere else.
Were you surprised at all about the flavors?
No, I
No,
wasn't.
That's what you expected. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Considering that I don't necessarily like a ton of German food. I like some of it, schnitzels and that, but I don't like sauerkraut and certain other things. I wasn't sure to expect what the treats would be like, but they were all pretty good.
Yeah.
I would easily eat any of these and was very happy with the package and the amount of treats that we got in the pack. I thought there was just going to be a few things, but there's lots of them in there. It was a
Yeah.
good deal.
Yeah, it was a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
So go out and get yourself a snack crate too if you want. We just ordered it on the internet.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to the next country, whatever that is.
Yeah, the next country is a surprise. We have no idea because we just signed up. We were only allowed to choose the first month that we wanted.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for next month when we do our next snack crate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell on so you can find out when we're posting new videos.
Right on. Have a good day.
Thanks
See
for
ya.
watching.